expressions. So let's get started with some examples. Number one, you got 4n minus 3n. These are what we call like terms, which are numbers that have the same variables, raised to the same power. Raised to the same power. That is, they have the same exponent. If you don't see an exponent, it's understood to be 1. So here, and you know, constants are like terms, right? 3 plus 4, that's 7. And then with simplifying expressions, we just work with the coefficient. So we got 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 what? 1n. So you think about it this way, you got 4 n's, right? And you got 4 n's. You want to take 3 of them away. You just left with 1 n. There's no need to write that 1, so we just n. Let's look at number 3 here. What's our, like terms? Let's start with that. What are my like terms? Well, negative 5x and 3x. 1 is not like these, are they? So we've got 1, and then we want to take 5x's away from that 1, and we want to take 3x's. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 1 down. Well, what's negative 5 plus 3? Well, negative 5 plus 3 is equal to negative 2. If you forget how to do that, just think 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Because we're taking the difference when your signs are opposite, and then you take the sign of the larger number, which in this case would be 5. And larger number, I mean larger absolute value. And minus 2 what? 2x. You got 1 minus 2x. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're not solving for x. We're not trying to find a specific value. And this is where people get tripped up. They think, well, hey, we got to get some number here, right? Well, this is some number. We just don't know what it is, and that's okay if we don't know what it is. Let's look at 5. You got p minus 3 plus 10p plus 1. Well, what's my like terms? Let's see, put my p's, my constants. All right, so got a p, 10p. It's a p, right? 10p. I got a negative 3 and a 1, and we're just going to combine them. So that's a positive p plus a 10p, which is 11p, minus 3 plus 1, so minus 2. So our answer is 11p minus 2. Or, some people like to do it this way. They like to do p plus 10p. And all I'm doing is I'm just rewriting with my like terms next to each other. Now, the benefit to doing it this way is it's a lot easier to get everything added and subtracted, right? Because your terms are right next to each other, so you don't have to go looking for them. But if I got 1p and I get 10 more p's, I've got 11p. Something I like to do is when I'm done with the p's, I like to mark them off. And that just, keeps me from making a mistake. So minus 3 plus 1, same thing as just negative 2. If you're at negative 3 on the number line, you go forward one spot, you're at negative 2, right? So that's our answer, 11p minus 2. Let's do one more example. Let's see. Let's do 13 looks good. Here we're going to have to distribute first. Because remember, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So distribute. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 3 and we're going to multiply it to 8. 8a. Then we're going to take this 3 and we're going to multiply it to 5. We're not going to do anything with this 8a, so we're just go ahead and bring this down. So 3 times 8, it's 24a. Well, a positive times a positive is a positive, so I always like to write my signs first. 3 times 5 is 15. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we're combining like terms. If you want, you can rewrite them together. And I would actually do this if you, especially when you get a long problem. You know, something like this, it's real easy to forget this one way down here. So just kind of get in the habit. It's good, just good habit. 24 plus 8. Well, if I got 24 A's and somebody comes along and gives me 8 more A's, I'm going to have 32 A's in my pocket plus 15. And that's how we simplify algebraic expressions. Just note, there's no equal sign, right? No equal sign means we are not solving it. But if it's like this, you're just simplifying. There's an equal sign, you solve it. Sometimes students want to take this and they want to solve it, but don't do that. If you want a copy of this worksheet, go to the description in the YouTube video. And good luck.